Hello everybody. Yesterday we have started our new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. In our introduction portion, we have studied how to solve when two straight lines are given. They can be solved graphically and secondly by algebraically. That means graphically means we can plot the graph of the equations and then find the solution. Secondly, algebraically means solving it. By three methods we can solve and get the answer. The first is substitution method, second is elimination method, and third is cross multiplication method. Yesterday we have discussed that when two equation of two straight lines are given, what are the condition that arises for the two equations. The first one was the system of lines to be consistent, and other was inconsistent. Consistent means when solution can be find out. Inconsistent means no solution. No solutions means when lines are parallel to each other. Consistent means solution, it means it can have when lines intersect each other at a single point, that means a unique solution, and if it coincides or overlap each other, then infinitely many solutions are there. So in our first exercise 3.1, we will find the solution graphically and we will represent it in form of a graph. Now move on to question number first of exercise 3.1. The question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay. Here it is said that let the present age of Aftab be X years and present age of daughter be Y years. So X and Y years are the ages of Aftab and her daughter. Now, first case, that means 7 years ago. 7 years ago. 7 years ago means X 7 will be subtracted from both X and Y. So, Aftab age will be X minus 7 and daughter age will be Y minus 7. Simply we can have. Now, according to question, that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. It means Aftab is 7 times older than his daughter. So it means X minus 7 will be equal to 7 times the age of the daughter. This is the age of the daughter before 7 years. So we can have the solution. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49, or we can have X minus 7y and equal to minus 42. This is our first equation or first case we can say. And case second, case 2 3 years later. Later means after 3 years. So Aftab age will be at that condition. Aftab age will be 3 years later will be x plus 3, and daughter age will be y plus 3. And it is said in the question that 3 years from now I shall be 3 times. After क्या होगा 3 गुना हो जाएगा. He will be the 3 times. So according to question x plus 3 will be equal to 3 times daughter's age. So now x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9, or x minus 3y is equal to 6. These are the two equations formed by the two conditions given in the question. Now we have to plot the graph with respect to this and find the solution. Now locate the coordinates with respect to the equation given. Now for equation x minus 7 y equal to minus 42, the coordinates are: first x equal to 0, y is equal to 6, x equal to 7, y is equal to 7, x equal to minus 7, y equal to 5, x equal to 42, y equal to 12. For second one, x minus 3y equal to 6, coordinates are x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2, x equal to 3, y equal to minus 1, x equal to 3, y equal to minus 3. Here we can see by substituting value of x we can find the value of y, and by doing similarly we have find out the values. Now come to the graph. Here graph can be plotted. We can have the scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 years, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to again 5 years. So now take the mark the axis as it is. Just the first point, that is 06. 06 is this point, 77 is this point, and minus 75 is this point, and 42 12 is this point. We can complete the straight line by drawing this sort of. We can have this. So this represents the equation x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now second one, points are 0 minus 2. This point is 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1, this point is 3 minus 1, 6 0 is this point, this point is 6 0 is this point, and 18 4 is this point. Just combine and this line represents x minus 3y is equal to 6. One more coordinates can be here, and that is 42 12. Here we can see 42 12 is the meeting point of both the straight lines. Hence we have got the solution. X is equal to x is equal to 42 and y is equal to 12 is our solution. Similarly, other question can also be dealt and graph can be plotted by using suitable scale for the given graph. Okay, thank you.